In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy conditional formatting in Excel. If you've already set up conditional formatting in one cell or range, and you want the same visual rules to appear somewhere else, Excel makes that process very simple. One of the quickest ways to do it is by using Format Painter. This tool copies formatting from one place and applies it to another, which can save time and help keep your spreadsheet consistent. To begin, find the cell or range that already contains the conditional formatting you want to reuse. This is important because Excel needs a source to copy from. Make sure you select the exact cell or group of cells where the formatting is working the way you want. For example, if you have color-based rules, highlights, or other visual changes triggered by values, select the area where those rules are already in place. Next, go to the Home tab in Excel. This is where many of the most commonly used formatting tools are located, including the one we need for this task. If you're using the desktop version of Excel, you'll usually find it in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right tab will make the next step easier. Now click Format Painter, which is represented by a paintbrush icon. As soon as you click it, Excel prepares to copy the formatting from the selected source cell or range. This includes the conditional formatting, so you don't need to rebuild the rules manually. That's what makes this method especially helpful when you're working with larger spreadsheets or repeated layouts. After that, drag over the cells where you want to apply the same conditional formatting. Try to cover the full destination range carefully, because Excel will apply the copied formatting to whatever you select. Once you release your mouse, the conditional formatting is copied to those cells. As a quick tip, pay attention to how your conditional formatting rules behave after copying. In many cases, Excel adjusts the formatting rules relative to the new cell positions, which is usually what you want. If something looks slightly different, it may be due to how the original rule was set up. Still, for most everyday tasks, Format Painter is one of the fastest and easiest ways to duplicate conditional formatting without extra setup. And that's all it takes to copy conditional formatting in Excel using Format Painter.